Hello everyone, my name is Zhaojun Li, and I work in the processing section of the production center. I've been with Zhongyifeng for 20 years, and I'm mainly responsible for the wood grain transfer processing of aluminum profiles. Before starting the transfer, I first confirm the profile specifications and set the cutting machine parameters. Then I cut the transfer paper to the right size and wrap the pre-treated aluminum profiles with it. I use adhesive tape to secure the paper tightly, ensuring it's smooth and free of wrinkles or damage. Next, I place the wrapped profiles into a high-temperature resistant, airtight vacuum bag. We vacuum seal both ends to ensure the transfer paper adheres tightly and evenly to the surface of the profile. After that, the profiles are placed into the transfer oven for baking. Based on the characteristics of the profile and the transfer paper, I adjust the oven's pressure, temperature, and baking time accordingly. Once the process is finished, the profiles are air-cooled. Then we unload them, clean the surface, and carry out quality inspection. I wish Zhongyifeng continued success and prosperity.